Let's discuss how to set up your WordPress dashboard using the XAMPP control panel. First, open the XAMPP control panel and start Apache and MySQL. Then in the search bar, type either localhost /8080/website world or localhost /website world. Press enter. This will take you to the website world project that we created in the previous video in the htdocs folder. Next, click on the dashboard link. Then go to Appearance and click on Themes. Add new theme. Search for Astra. In the right side search bar, install and activate it. After that, install plugins that bring extra features to your website. Click on Add New Plugin and search for Elementor. Press enter. Then install it. Repeat this process for starter templates and Envato Elements. Envato Elements. Install now. Finally, go to the installed plugins. Select all the plugins you have installed. Choose Activate from the Bulk Actions drop-down menu and click Apply. Okay, we have installed the theme and plugins. In the next session, we will continue from this part.